Hey everyone, here's Aditi. Hope you all are safe and having an amazing day. So, this is my new channel, Art and Craft with Srivastava. So, this is my new video. In this new video, I will show you all that I have made a pull-up birthday card and I am going to show you. So let's get started. Before I get started, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have clicked the bell icon. Okay, so let's get started. And if you like the video, so please give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so let's get started. This is the sheet which I have folded, but don't panic. I will show you all that how I fold this. So first take a A4 size sheet and fold it like this. Press it tightly. On the another side, you have to fold it the same you have folded. So then fold it on the right side like this. Then on the other side also you have to fold it the same you have folded, and make sure that you have folded very tightly. Then I'm folding that one. You have to fold it like this. I'm folding. You have to do this on the other side also. So yeah, I have folded, and on the back side you have to write any greetings. You can write any greetings you wanna write with sketch pens or glitters or crayons. So from which you have writing, you can anything. You can write with sketch pens also. I'm writing with sketch pens. So yeah, I have written. I have not written any greetings. I have only written happy birthday. You can write greetings also. I have decorated it like a cake and balloons and stars over there. And you can write the name for which you are making the card. I am writing Radhya. You can make any design on the card, or you can copy me and then show it carefully that how I fold. Fold on the other side also. Press it tightly that the ear removes. Press it tightly for 5 seconds and write here anything. You can write pull here, and then on the left or right side you can make anything. I am making stars. You can also make balloons and cakes, and then you can write from whatever your name. My name is Aditi, so I am writing Aditi. So the card is done. Pull it out. Happy birthday! So this is my card which I have made and show you all. So if you like this card, so please like my video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you don't, and click the bell icon. Comment me that which video you want on the next week. So bye bye, take care and have a nice day.